Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another RE3 tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add additional fonts to your RE3 workspace. It's really easy to do, so we'll jump right into it. So as you can see, I have a text box here with some black font that I've chosen the color black. You can change this color to yellow, whatever you want. I think black's just the easiest to see. I have, of course, selected to fill in the font. This is just so you can see it easier, but these are things you would use if you're going to engrave the workspace, or if you're going to vector it. But if you wanted to engrave this, all you have to do is hit the raster button there, as we went over in our previous videos. But today we're going to talk about adding fonts, as our very cleverly worded bit of text box here says. So to add fonts, it's actually really easy. We're just going to go up here to File. You'll see third from the bottom or fourth from the top says Import Fonts. So I have a Western motif I'm trying to accomplish here. So I'm going to grab this Brigand Rough OTF. The type of file you need is an OTF file. The other type of text file, TXT, won't work here. You actually need the online text file, or .otf file. This file type downloads from many websites. You can check out things like 100 or 1001freefonts.com, and really just if you Google search free fonts, you'll find a bunch. If you want some fancier ones or nicer ones, you can find them on tons of paid sites as well. But again, after you hit the file add fonts, you just select the OTF file that you want to add, and there it is. All you have to do is come over here then, and we already have a ton of fonts loaded. Like Acme's a great one for fun stuff. This is a really beautiful one for weddings and such. But the one we added was Brigard. So actually I'm just going to hit BR so I can pull it up quick. And you'll notice here there's a little delete button as well. So if you ever want to remove this font, you can. They're really small files though, not usually something you need to delete. But we're just going to click that font, and there we go. Look at that cool new font we've just added to RE3. Again, real easy to do. Just File, up here. Oops, let me just click back in the box. File, Import Fonts, and just like that, you can add fonts to your RE3 workspace. If you have any more questions or looking for some other videos on neat things you can do with RE3, check out those videos we have over here to the right and left. Make sure you give us a subscribe and a like so you can see all the videos as they come out. If you like this video or have ideas for other videos, make sure you leave us in a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching.